We are long overdue for a garden update. I was pregnant at the end of the garden last year and we kind of just let it go. And this year, spring is the busiest time for me and my job. So we got a late start and then the weather did not cooperate. It rained and rained and rained here in West Virginia in June. So now we are finally going to do a garden update on our very late garden. Here we go. Okay, so we'll start over here with the corn, which definitely was not knee-high by the 4th of July. It actually got eaten like down to the stalks, and I'll insert a picture here. Well, we were on vacation. It got eaten so low, so it's just now trying to pick back up. And as you can see, instead of knee-high by 4th of July, I guess we'll have knee-high hopefully by August 4th. I guess it's kind of there. Some of it's a little higher than others. This one probably didn't get eaten by bunnies or deer or whatever down quite as far. And also here in the front, I actually just the other day planted some cucumbers and stuff, so we've got some little tiny babies. Okay, so let's go over here to the pumpkin. Over here is a mixture of cucumbers, pumpkins, squash, and there may even be the odd watermelon in here because I can't remember exactly what all I planted. And I do not remember which things are which. Obviously the ones that aren't vining out are probably the squash, and ones like that that are really long vine are probably the pumpkins. The leaves don't have a disease. That's 7 powder. We had a huge infestation, so Dustin had to get out here and 7 it up. All right, now that we've updated you on the backyard garden, I'll show you what's going on with our peach tree in the front yard and what we did with our peaches.
And then help.
You did it!
I
So we've got our little helper out here and we're picking our peaches. We already took one whole bag in. We're gonna see how many we get. Thank you, helper.
Daddy, where's that one?
Oh, we got peaches.
Good job, baby girl.
You got it.
Does it have something on it?
No, just where it's got different colors on the very top of it.
Oh. I think she's picking up bad ones off the ground. Oh well.
Put it in there.
Got it.
It's good.